Hey guys, this is a perfect guacamole recipe made in Indian kitchen so easily. So let's start trying this. So first of all, I will be taking some ripe avocado and the ingredients I'll show you all a little bit of onion finely chopped, parsley or coriander finely chopped, garlic and green chili both are finely chopped again. Now here I will be taking a few chapatis, the simple Indian chapatis that we make roti. Now this I will be cutting it into four. I will be dividing each roti into four. You can make the pieces according to your choice. Now I'll put this in the in the air fryer, not microwave. Today we are going to try it in air fryer. So what we are going to make? We are going to make nachos out of it. Yes, plain and simple nachos. And I'll be putting it in the air fryer in 200 degrees for only 4 minutes. That's more than enough. So this is my age-old air fryer. So let's see how it works out. Now after keeping them in the air fryer, we'll go to our guacamole. Now here I will be grinding the avocado, ripe avocado. You can smash them also. I prefer it grinding. It becomes very fast, but keep it in the pulse mode because we want some bits of it. To this now I'm going to add the tomatoes, onion, garlic, green chilies. Green chilies goes according to your taste. Now here I am adding some coriander leaves also. Instead of coriander, you can add parsley also, but coriander gives the particular distinct flavor of guacamole. Friends, if you all like this beautiful recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible. And those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. And those who are with me, a lot of thanks to all of you. Now here goes a dash of lemon juice. This you can add according to your taste and as much as you like. I love to be a bit tangy. So now after adding this, I will be adding salt according to your taste and some black pepper powder to balance the taste again. Now mix everything very nicely and keep it aside. To this I will be adding 1 tablespoonful of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. Olive oil gives again the distinct flavor and the texture. Now in the meantime, I will be seeing what about my nachos. So let's take it out. Wow, crispy nachos are ready to serve. Now friends, I will be arranging the dish after adding the olive oil. As I said, add the olive oil at the end point when you are concluding the dish. At that time the olive oil. So better to have this fresh because it goes very nice when you have it fresh. Now I have served it. Let me know how you enjoyed it. Be happy, be merry.